All right, what you are seeing are some examples of questions that will show up on Friday's test. Please watch this video all the way to the end and answer the questions that are embedded in the video for your practice before you begin your homework assignment for today. Okay, you may be charged with a question, 160% of what number is 27? And do not skip over information in parentheses. It's there for your help. Set up your percent proportion template on your scratch paper. They give me the percent, 160%. I'm going to write that as a fraction. It can be because a 160% is greater than 100%, my percent fraction will be an improper fraction out of 100 of what number? What number of indicates the whole number. So we are looking for the whole, or the total group size in this one is 27. 27 indicates the numerator part of your fraction. And now you can solve this way. Grab your calculators and cross multiply and divide for your answer. I'll clear my previous work. 27 times 100 divided by 160 equals 16.875 on my calculator. 16.875. That is 3 digits to the right, okay? They want the answer no further than this 10th place value. So I need to look at 7, and if 7 is greater than 5, this 8 becomes a 9 and the rest of the digits get dropped. So the answer in this example is 16.9. Another example that you're going to practice for today's lesson, 192% of what number is 39? Set it up on your scratch paper and enter your answer. If you set up your proportion correctly, you would have the fraction 192 out of 100 is equivalent to 39 out of some number. After using your calculator would display 20.3125, but they do not want the entire answer. They want your answer rounded, and they want it to round to the nearest tenth, so your answer is 20.3. Try this one out on your scratch paper and enter your answer. Here is how you should have set up your proportion on your scratch paper. When you use your calculator probably gave you an answer of 25.789473, but the question wants the answer rounded to the nearest tenth. 25.789473 rounds to 25.8. 2 out of 10 is what percent? Set up your percent proportion and enter your answer. If you answered the question correctly on your scratch paper or entered your question, you would answer that 20% is the correct answer. Please note and get more math that if you just enter 20, it will count it wrong. Please read the gray letters in the answer box. They want the percent symbol to give you full credit for the correct answer. Try out this next percent problem. The correct answer, it works out to be 20% again. Please notice that they want you to include the percent symbol in your answer. If you fail to do so, it will not give you the smiley faces or the crowns, even though you set up the question correctly.